Here comes Thomas. I'm the #1 engine. Whoa! All engines go! Coming through! Down the hills and round the wall! All engines go!
Lightening the load. What a lovely sunset over Brendam Docks.
Hi, Mia. What you doing?
Hey, Thomas. Just enjoying the view before dropping my last delivery at Brendam Docks.
I wish I could join you, but I've got to get these sacks of birdseed to Vickerstown. I'd better hurry before they eat my cargo.
Bye, Thomas.
Here you go, Connor. Glad to finally be getting these chickens off my dock.
I know, Cranky. I never run late, but today...
Hi, everyone. How's it going?
Oh, hi, Nia. Fine. Everything fine. Well, gotta whoosh. Bye!
Boy, she's in a hurry.
Nia, I'm glad you're here. There's an important delivery to the lighthouse. Diesel was supposed to be here, but he never showed up.
Well, this was my last delivery, but how can I help?
Well, there's firewood for the lighthouse keeper and a heavy load of rocks to strengthen the shoreline. But most important of all, a brand new beacon for the lighthouse. Look.
Wow! What a cool light!
Yeah, but there's nothing light about this delivery. Think you can haul such heavy cargo?
Leave it to me. I've got enough steam in my boiler to make one last run.
This is a very important delivery, Nia. The fog's coming in tonight. Without a beacon, ships like me could crash.
You can count on me, Bulstrode. I'm the right engine for the job.
Remember, you gotta reach the lighthouse before the fog rolls in. Or the lighthouse will be a dark house.
You can count on me. The lighthouse isn't very far. It should be no trouble at all. Gonna beat that fog with a steady jog. Gonna haul these logs. Whoa, that was a big bump. Hope the light's okay. Oh, good. Glad I wasn't going too fast. Where did all these chickens come from? Hi, Miss Chicken. Can you please ask your friends to move? Looks like I'm going to have to find another way. This is a longer route, but I'll still make it to the lighthouse before... Whoa! That was a close one. This delivery is trickier and muddier than I thought. Oh no! The fog is creeping in, and I won't make it through this mud pit. We've got to find another way to go, and fast. With the chickens and the mud, that means I've got to take... steep hill. I've got this. I don't got this.
Hey, Mia, coming through.
Thomas, what are you doing here?
Sorry, can't stop to chat.
Hey, Connor.
Bye, Mia, bye, Mia.
Seems like everybody's doing fine with their deliveries, but me. Well then, if they can do it, I can do it, right? I'll just do it this way. Not that way! How about this way? Whoa! then. This way. If I can't see how steep the hill is, maybe I can make it to the top. Almost there. Whoa. Oh, no. How come I'm the only engine that can't make my delivery today? Or should I say, tonight? Maybe the truth is, I'm not the right engine for this job after all. Huh?
Oh, hi, Nia.
Hi, Kana.
Everything okay with you?
Oh, you know. I'm having a pretty tough time, Kana. I promised Bullstrode and Cranky that I could handle this delivery. Then there were chickens on the tracks and a giant mud pit. Then I forgot how steep hill is, and I can't get over it, and I have to make it to the lighthouse before the fog comes in. The simple answer is, I'm not okay.
Your day sounds hard, and I feel the same.
You do?
You know those chickens you stumbled across? Those were mine. I hit a bump along the way that caused me to lose a crate of chickens.
I know that bump. I hit it too.
Well, anyway, that's why I'm here again. I had to double back to retrieve my chickens, but I hit some mud on the tracks that caused a short circuit in my power, so... Now I'm running at half power and I don't know if I can even make it back up steep hill.
Kana, that sounds exhausting. I thought I was the only one struggling.
You most definitely are not.
So, we're not okay. And guess what? That's okay. You can't help me with my heavy load, and I can't help you with your electrical stuff. But just talking things out did make me feel better.
You know what? I feel better too.
So do you maybe want some company?
Yes, we can keep talking and help push each other. And also...
Push each other.
I'm a big fan of that plan. Huh?
I am not a fan of that thought. We've got to hurry. You've got this, Kana.
We'll make it in time.
We're almost there. One more tug.
Woo! Made it.
Hey, we pushed through a big hurdle.
We did. And it's all downhill from here.
But in a good way.
Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa! Hey, Nia. Hey, Kana. How are your deliveries going?
Terrible. This lighthouse delivery is a lot heavier than I thought. I kept sliding down steep hill.
And I had a short circuit and lost some chickens. But I got them back.
I know what you mean. I got stuck in a landslide at the old mine and lost the wheel. So I couldn't get back to Brenham Docks in time to take the lighthouse delivery. My day was definitely not okay.
You know, I've had a pretty rough day too. I hit a bump and lost a whole sack of seeds. I had to go back and pick up more. Hey! My chickens may have eaten some of your seeds.
Well, look on the bright side. At least someone enjoyed them.
You two are in a pretty good mood after having such a tough day.
Well, talking about it made it less tough. And we pushed through the tough spots together.
And look, now we're most of the way there.
And we're still ahead of that fog. We can't stop now. We've got to keep going. Come
Let's
on,
go!
One lighthouse beacon just in the nick of time, and some firewood to keep you warm, and rocks for the shoreline.
right engine for this job, Nia.
Thanks, Diesel and Kana. Thanks for helping me remember it's okay to not be okay, even if you are the right engine for the job.
Absolutely. Well, I sure felt better when you all listened and we could laugh about our tough day together.